It is Monday, June 1st, 2020 at 12:05 a.m. So it just turned June 1st. Welcome to the hurricane season. We are here now. Okay, guys, so let's take a look here quickly at what I set up for talking about. Alright, so we have multiple cities having curfew or the possibility of curfews beginning because of these protests and riots that have been happening. I know that in the case of LA, they get their notifications via phone, and for other people that don't live in LA, like we live in North Carolina, we pretty much probably gonna get the mayor talking about if we're gonna have curfew either Monday or so, and pretty much check out either your news or your mayor, or if you get notifications via phone, so you guys can stay safe during these riots that are happening. Alright, next let's go to the National Hurricane Center. We have Disturbance 1 with 50% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. The remnants of Eastern Pacific Tropical Storm Amanda are currently located over northern Guatemala. This system is forecast to move northwestward to northward within a border area and distribute weather, and it could emerge out of the southeastern Bay of Campeche on Monday. If the remnants move back over water, environmental conditions appear conducive to support some development, and a new tropical depression could form while the system moves through the Gulf the middle of this week. Regardless of tropical cyclone formation, heavy rainfall is likely to continue over portions of southern Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador, Belize, and western Honduras during the next few days. For additional information on the rainfall threat, see products of your National Meteorological Service. The next update on the system will be the first regularly scheduled tropical weather outlook on the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season, which will be issued 2 a.m. EDT Monday morning. Formation chance through 48 hours is medium at 50%, and formation chance through 5 days is medium at 60%. So it's climbing up there, 50% for 48 hours and 60% for the next 5 days. So this storm system is bringing a lot of rain to that area in South America, a lot of flooding, and that's what we have to look forward to if Amanda decides to go over the Gulf and hit either Mexico or Texas or Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, or Florida. Wherever it decides to wander off into, a lot of rain, flooding. There's so much moisture associated with this storm system. Alright, let's take a look here. It says here special weather outlook. The remnants of the Eastern Pacific Tropical Storm Amanda are currently located over northern Guatemala. The system is forecast to move northwestward to northward within a broader area of distributed weather. So northwestward to northward. So Louisiana, Mississippi, Florida, Texas, this is pretty much the area that it's supposed to be heading into. Alright, let's take a look at what's happening right now over the Gulf. This is what Amanda looks like, bubbling up by the Yucatan Peninsula and parts of the Gulf right now. And this is entering warm waters. Last I checked, 82, 83 degree water, which is basically rocket fuel for hurricanes and storms. That's why you see it bubbling up. It's pretty much gonna hopefully not build, but if it does, it's because of the warmer waters. Alright, let's head into my Twitter, spacerivernews, or my handle, News2River, at News2River. Check it out in the description below of the video. It says reliable weather models showing about a 50% chance a strong tropical storm or hurricane to develop in the Gulf of Mexico later this week. The 2020 hurricane season is officially underway June 1st and may get off to a big start. Alright, it says here, as I've been saying for 8 days, this storm is fucking huge. That's pretty much the King of America at New Thor. That's what he said. It's for the past 8 days he's been saying that the storm is pretty big and pretty much, gonna cause a lot of trouble. Alright, let's take a look at this meme here. It says me looking for something to laugh at, the internet, and get punched in the face by riots, police brutality, and other depressing stuff. Memes. Alright, says prepare for effing Category 3 hurricane, though, at Gulf States worst case scenario. Now is a good time to start some general prepper work, not be dumb fantasy stuff, just plant a garden with some edible food, stock up on some more food, prepare to bug out, and set up accounts of encrypted communication apps with your friends. So it's time to prepare. This is by Viking Sec, who tweeted this to prepare, start setting up your gardens, start setting up edibles, food stock, start setting up regular hurricane season preparedness. Get bottled water, get candles, make sure you have batteries, and you have lighters and all the things you need to pretty much survive if the power goes out, or if, worst case scenario, riots happen, or you have to start preparing, guys. The season out there is getting weird and wicked. Okay, Russell Wilson tweeted, Jesus, we need you now. That is, of course, obvious. We all need Jesus, because Jesus is the strength that holds us up in these times, especially these dark times that have been happening. Also here, the USGS big quake says preliminary magnitude 5.6 earthquake south of the Fiji Islands. So the Fiji Islands getting a big quake there. And then here it says Joe Murgo saying, here's a look at who's feeling the heat today. Parts of California, Nevada, and the southern states here in Mexico, and parts of Florida feeling the heat. Okay, it says we are all responsible for the state of this global status quo shit show, the King of America tweeted. Alright, also the Gulf of Mexico is an area to watch for possible development of a tropical depression or storm this week. Yes, very true. Amanda is forecast to continue tracking to the northwest across Guatemala in the beginning of this week. Lives at risk, flash flooding, mudslides, rough seas. This is what we expect with this system. It pretty much is going to be heading over into the Gulf, and a lot of flash flooding and water coming with it. Alright, also a 4.91 earthquake occurred near the Mariana Islands. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like and subscribe. And also remember, this channel is not intended for children, so sorry if I dropped an F-bomb or an S-bomb randomly. I don't make my channel for children or for kids. It's pretty much mostly weather and things like that, but it's usually adult talking about weather and about the things in the world, so I don't pretty much cover things about children or allow children to really watch my videos. That's why one of the things about notifications with my videos is it's not kid friendly, even though I don't do a lot of bad things on it. It just pretty much, if a random F-bomb or S-bomb drops, I don't want kids, and parents being upset because of it. Alright guys, hit like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time. God bless. Stay safe out there. There's a lot of riots and stuff happening out there. See you guys next time.